This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iOS update stuck at terms and conditions page in iPhone. So if you're trying to update your iPhone and you are facing this issue, follow these simple steps to fix it. The first solution is turn off your iPhone and turn your iPhone again. And now try to re-update your iOS. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, iPhone storage, and now you have to search for unwanted apps and games. So all you have to need just offload unwanted games and apps to free up your iPhone storage. Before updating your iOS version, make sure you have at least 5 GB free space and then check the issue. The third solution is reset network settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset network settings. After that, now you should be able to update your iOS version. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.